Alright, this is one of those videos where after you complete the project, well, I'm not actually all the way complete with it, but then you determine that, well, why didn't I videotape that? What happened here is I bought this cabinet at a discounted price because there was a little chip here right behind this board. And so what I did is I didn't want to try to patch that. I just bought a board. Now, you could get a different size board, but this is just lined up evenly with right here. And so then I went and bought some, I had to match the paint, and you can get samples for, I think it was like $4 or $5, and this was at Lowe's. And I painted this, put a couple of coats on it, and you can see it matches up really well. And then I just got my brad nailer and put 5/8 inch brad nail in there, and then I'll go ahead and fill this with putty and paint it up, and you won't even know that this wasn't a part of the cabinet. That's one thing you can do if the trim is, or if it's damaged right along the edge of somewhere. If the damage was here, you could do the same thing. You could just run a piece of trim around it. But we got this at half the price of what it normally was due to that damage. And so it really worked out well. I hope this helps, and make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs. This can really save you some money. Thanks so much and have a great day.